How to fix Google AI Studio screen share not working. The first and the most important thing is for you to use Chrome or simply a Chromium based browser. So for example, I use Brave and Brave is based off of Chromium, so the share screen works perfectly. Or you can also use Edge. Update, clear cache and cookies. Ensure WebRTC and streaming components work correctly. Also grant permissions. In Chrome, click the lock icon in the URL bar to make sure camera, microphone, and screen access are allowed. Also check network and firewall. WebRTC is required for real-time streaming. Disable VPNs or corporate firewalls that may block it. You can also test in another network. Try switching to a home versus work connection if you suspect network restrictions. If all fails, you can always restart and retry. For a hard refresh, press CTRL and Shift and R at the same time, or CMD and Shift and R on Mac to reload the page fully. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.